So the key messages that I wanted to convey during my presentation was particularly the complexity of our current environment. So if you are a packaging producer or a material producer, or you're an end user of packaging, you have to deal with the new regulatory framework in Europe around packaging and packaging waste. And also I wanted to share what we know from a Coca Cola perspective about how consumers' perception on packaging is changing and how that also affects our collective business in packaging. I think clearly what we see today is that the consumers do respond to the media pressure that we've seen over the last several years on plastics in general and plastic packaging. And we as Coca Cola also put plastic packaging on the market, and the consumers are clearly reacting to that. So what we do see is that there is a pressure from a consumer perspective on the acceptance of plastic packaging, but packaging in general as well. But talking to consumers, they also teach you and tell you how you need to adapt in order to make that packaging acceptable again. So from that perspective, listening to customers and consumers is critically important.